Is paperwork getting in the way of patient care? VetRadar helps you reduce the admin workload so you can get back to taking care of your patients. Here are 3 ways VetRadar can help. Number 1, easily monitor anesthesia. If a patient needs surgery, you'll need to make an anesthesia sheet. VetRadar's digital anesthesia sheet accurately monitors a patient's vitals once entered into the software and automatically adds treatments that are related to that surgery. It also includes an anesthetic timer, which records how long a patient's been under anesthesia, and a surgery timer, which tracks how long a patient spends in surgery. Number 2, increase accuracy with fluid calculators. Calculating fluids can be tricky. Get it wrong, and you could end up wasting expensive product, or worse, putting your patient in harm's way. VetRadar does the hard work for you. Simply enter the dose rate into the fluid calculator and it will automatically calculate the total dose, volume, and billing quantity. You can then set the task to be repeated for a specified number of hours or until the patient's discharged. Number 3, full visibility of tasks and patient treatments. It's time to say goodbye to handwritten hospital whiteboards. VetRadar's electronic whiteboard gives your team full visibility of daily tasks, so they can see which patients are checked in, the status of tasks that need to be done, and when they need to do it. VetRadar comes packed with features to minimize the risk of error and to help you deliver the best patient care possible. Book your free demo now at vetradar.com.